Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we're going for a discussion regarding exam guidelines for coming December 2021 issued by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So the ICAI has issued detailed guidelines for the candidates appearing for the December 2021 CA examination in the wake of ongoing COVID-19 pandemic and ask them to fulfill the required guidelines during the period of CA examination. ICAI will also implement adequate social distancing measures in the current scenario of COVID-19 to ensure the health and safety of the student candidates. Adequate measures are being taken for the safety of all without compromising the high standards, sanctity, and fairness in the conduct of the examination. Guidelines for examination candidates or examinee or students. Okay, so candidates are required to strictly adhere to the guidelines and the process for social distancing and hygiene to ensure the safety and health of their own and fellow candidates. Number 1, candidates to check reporting or entry time at a center given in the admit card and to reach center as per reporting time only to avoid any crowding at the center at the time of entry and to maintain social distancing. Number 2, all candidates must ensure before reaching the examination center that they do not have any symptom or suffering from COVID-19 disease. Number 3, candidates need to maintain social distancing from each other at all the time. Number 4, the candidates must ensure to report at the examination hall not before 1 p.m. wearing face mask and carry with them exam-related items and documents. They may carry a transparent bottle of drinking water and 50 or 100 ml bottle of hand sanitizer and admit card. Candidates will not be allowed to carry out their mobile phones, smartwatch, other electronic gadgets, books and written materials and bags inside the examination halls. Number 5, at the entrance, the candidates shall be subject to thermal temperature scanning and sanitization of hands. Candidates and other functionaries having body temperature of more than prescribed limit will not be allowed entry in the examination center. However, their record will be maintained. Number 6, candidates shall continue to wear face mask and shall remove the same only at the time of their personal identification and signing of the attendance register. In case of malfunctioning of their mask, candidate may contact the room invigilator who will provide a mask to such candidates. Number 7, candidates shall seek the permission of hall or room invigilators for use of washrooms and shall sanitize their hands on coming out of the washroom with the sanitizer made available by the center outside the washroom. Number 8, the candidates should bring their personal water bottles and keep the same on the bench or even seat. Number 9, all candidates are advised to carry a small transparent bottle of hand sanitizer for their use within the examination hall or room. Number 10, all candidates are advised to cooperate with the examination functionary for adhering to the COVID-19 and other guidelines during the conduct of examinations. Number 11, all candidates are advised to bring their own pen, pencil, scale, calculators, water bottle, etc. as borrowing or lending or exchange of the same in the examination hall is strictly prohibited. Number 12, on completion of the examination, the candidates will be permitted to move out in an orderly manner, one candidate at a time. Please wait for instruction for invigilator and do not get up from your seat until advised. Number 13, the gloves and mask should be disposed in a pedal push covered bin at the examination center and outside the examination room or hall only. Number 14, the care distance will be maintained without crowding anywhere at all times. Number 15, candidates shall make sure that they come to the center well in time and do not clog the outside road if they are coming in their own vehicle, which should be parked at appropriate places. Number 16, keeping in view the general condition, the candidates who have completed their paper in time will be allowed to exit from exam center 4 p.m. onwards. Number 17, while the admit card will be printed online, the candidates have to give consent to follow various guidelines issued by the governmental authorities as also the ICAI. In case a candidate is minor, he or she must undertake that he or she is appearing in this examination with consent and permission of his or her parents or guardian by way of filling up of format which candidate can get while printing of his or her admit card and submit or deposit the said undertaking format duly signed by his or her parents or guardian at the room or hall of the examination center. Number 18, all candidates must ensure entry in the examination center wearing masks all the time. However, the centers are advised to keep stock of masks, sanitizers and water bottles to be provided to the candidates in case of need. Number 19, general instruction related to CA examination must be adhered to by the candidates. From the above guidelines issued by ICAI, it is obvious that to attend CA final examination, vaccination is not compulsory. Actually, in India, it's drive to vaccine everybody. So not everyone in India is not vaccinated by single dose. So we are approaching the magic number of being vaccinated by everyone in our country. So in non-vaccinated persons, there could be CA students too. So thereby ICAI has not mandated or issued such thing in exam guidelines to be vaccinated to exam. Okay, so don't worry about that. Thank you for giving your time. See you next time. All the best.